All right, today we're breaking down Neeve endpoints. Let's see how they can actually simplify your BMS projects.
Okay, so let's jump right in. What exactly is a Neeve endpoint? If you're an integrator, you've probably asked this.
Technically, it's just a digital doorway to a device. Think of a web UI on a specific port, right?
But let's be practical. Just think of it like this. Every service you need access to is one endpoint.
And this is where it gets really interesting for tools like Niagara Workbench. You know, the ones needing full network access?
Now get this, you don't need an endpoint for every single controller, just one. That's a huge win.
So how do your techs connect? Well, getting their local workbench online is super simple, wherever they are.
They just launch the agent, pick a site, and that's it. They are instantly and securely in the network.
And the Neeve launcher keeps everything organized. Your whole portfolio of sites, all in one single view.
Okay, so for a typical BMS project, how many endpoints are we actually talking about here? Let's find out.
You're probably going to be surprised. Most projects only need 3. Yep, just 3, sometimes even less.
Typically, that's one for your web UI, one for remote desktop, and one for your entire Workbench network.
Okay, so now that endpoints make sense, let's connect this to picking the right Neeve product for you.
First up, you got to think about how many services or endpoints you're going to need per site.
Now, a really big one is simultaneous users. How many of your techs need to connect at once? And last but not least, do you need to run edge apps like Niagara right on the hardware?
This chart kind of puts it all together. You can see the differences between the Secure Link and Secure Edge.
So, Secure Link is your go-to for simple remote access. It's cost-effective and gives you that essential security.
Then you've got Secure Edge. This is the beast for complex sites, edge apps, and bigger teams.
So, which one is right for you? It really just boils down to a couple of key questions.
Basically, if you need more than 5 users at once, or you need edge apps, Secure Edge is it.
And there it is. Powerful remote access doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Now, what will you do with it?